Want to speak real English from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at EnglishClass101.com.
Hi everybody, my name is Alicia. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about expressions to use in friendships and in romantic relationships. We're going to practice a few key expressions for asking about plans, like making plans, and then talking about things after you've done the plan. So let's get started. Okay, the first couple of expressions are related to asking about someone else's schedule. They are you doing anything on day? For example, are you doing anything on Sunday? Are you doing anything on Monday? Are you doing anything on day? And are you free day and time? For example, are you free Sunday at 3 p.m. or are you free Saturday evening? So you'll notice I used a couple of different patterns there, like Sunday at 3 p.m. If you're using a time, yes, you do need to include a preposition here, at, Sunday at 3 p.m. If you're using like morning, afternoon, evening, no preposition. Are you free Friday evening? Are you free Saturday morning? In that case, no preposition is necessary here. You can mix and match these, of course, too. Are you doing anything on Saturday night is great too. Or are you free Sunday? Also okay. So you can kind of change these around, but these two expressions are like questions for someone else's schedule. You can be more specific with something like this. Do you want to get lunch or dinner tomorrow? Do you want to get lunch or dinner this weekend? Do you want to get dinner sometime this week? So these are just a couple of ideas, and of course you can change lunch and dinner to coffee or a drink as well. But do you want to get sounds casual and friendly. If you say, would you like to eat lunch? It's also okay, but it will sound more formal. So for friendships and for more romantic relationships, it's a little more common to use a pattern like this. At native speed, this sounds like, do you want to get dinner tomorrow? Or do you want to get dinner this weekend? So this sounds a little bit more natural. The next one, what are you up to? What are you up to? You can use this with your friends and with someone that you're already a little close to. At native speed, this sounds like, what are you up to? What are you up to? So we can use this in two different ways. What are you up to for a holiday? Or what are you up to on a day? For example, what are you up to for summer vacation? Or what are you up to for the long weekend? So there's some kind of special day here that everybody knows about. What are you up to for Thanksgiving? Or what are you up to for Halloween? There's some kind of special event that's happening, and you want to know the other person's plans. So what are you up to means what are your plans for that holiday? You can also use the on pattern. What are you up to on Saturday? What are you up to on Sunday? What are you up to on Monday evening? So in this case, we use on plus a day. We use for with a holiday. We cannot mix and match these. We cannot say, what are you up to for Sunday? That's not something we generally say. We also don't say, what are you up to on Christmas? Like maybe you would hear that in British English, I suppose, but it's not a pattern that's so common in American English. So what are you up to is a question about someone's plans. So after you ask about someone's plans and maybe you get lunch or you get dinner, you get a coffee, you get a drink, whatever, to talk about the next time to get together or to express your feelings about your experience positively, you can say, I had a great time with you. I had a great time with you. This is something that we tend to use more in romantic situations. Like you had a date with someone, you can say, I had a great time with you. To make it a little more casual, you can say, I had a great time hanging out with you. Or another word choice you can make is, I had a blast. I had a blast. I had a blast with you, or I had a blast hanging out with you. This sounds very casual and very positive. So there are many ways that we can change the level of formality here and closeness with our vocabulary choice. You can use this expression if you want to see the other person again. You can use this with your friends and in romantic situations. Let's get together again soon. Let's get together again soon. And native speed, let's get together again soon. So we want to express that we want to meet the other person in the near future. Let's get together again soon. You can follow up with, let me know when you're free. Let me know when you're free. That means please tell me when you have time in your schedule. So let's get together again soon. Let me know when you're free. So you'll notice these two words connect closely. Let me becomes lemme. Let me know when you're free. Or let me know when you have some free time. Let me know when you want to go for a drink. So there are a few different ways we can change the end, but this let me know will remain the same. So please tell me about your schedule, in other words. That's the key point we want to communicate here. Finally, this is a really good one to use if you have a heavy talk with your good friend or family member or, I suppose, romantic partner. Thanks for the good chat, or thanks for a great chat. So if you had a really, really good discussion with someone, this is a great expression to use to finish that. So, for example, I had a great time hanging out with you today. Like, thanks for the good chat. Like, you can use that to express specifically what you liked about spending time with that other person. So these are a few expressions that you can use to ask about plans and to follow up after your plans with someone. So I hope that this is helpful for you in your friendships and in other relationships as well. Of course, there are many other expressions that you can use in these kinds of situations. So if you know some others, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Also, if you want to practice making some sentences or questions with this information, please feel free to do so in the comment section. As well, leave any comments or questions you have about these topics. Okay, if you liked the lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and check us out at EnglishClass101.com for some other things that can help you with your English studies. Thanks very much for watching this lesson, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.